This is how this Misha kid sounds. I'm about to rap by him. I freeze to my food a little bit die. But the one my moon as you should judge right. But the one to pay the blue eye. Pumu mamu that's this of the side. Mammo's usually mama who the mamu lie. Clamo did it up and juicy will be right. Come on, Jay. Be me. River free. He likes the curse, but that is on me. Hey, bars, I'm about to fall asleep. Good night. He is a bee. That's how this kid sound. Bars, I be going hard. I got some baseball cards about to shoot you in your head. Now you laying in the bed. I ain't about to kill you again cause I'm asleep. Everybody know you is a creep. Dabbing on them haters, dabbing on them alligators. Everybody know that humans eat alligators, especially people in Mississippi. Even though that kid don't know how to spell it because he's stupid and he has a mom that is called a Missy.